Bazaar in Istanbul. Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, with 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops. This area was listed number 1 among the world's most visited tourist attractions. The Grand Bazaar at Istanbul is often considered as one of the first shopping malls in the world. Grand Bazaar has gotten a large place of Fatih district. In this video, I will show you a small part of this beautiful place. If you are interested to see the other parts, click on the subscribe button and also put your finger on the bell to get the notification and be the first one to like and watch my videos. Hope you enjoy.
Merci. Buradan geçeceğiz yine kahveciye. Telefonu al, telefonu kahve al. Alayım mı?
Çelik kapılardaki gibi.
Ne var?